Hey girl, I'm sure you know by now if you follow my channel that I love my head wraps. And ever since becoming a new mom, I'm loving them even more. So when the opportunity came for me to partner with the Wrap.life, I jumped on it. These guys specialize in providing quality head wraps, headbands, turbans, silk-lined beanies, and even scrunchies for your convenience. If you've got natural hair, you know that these things can be time savers and can just make life super easy for us. Now, whether you've got natural hair or not, head scarves, headbands, they just add a little bit of interest, a unique look to your already beautiful self. So don't feel like you have to be natural in order to use these. And what I love about these guys is just the variety that they provide. Girl, so much color, so much texture, different styles to choose from. Like, I'm spoiled just scrolling through right now. And for those of us that are just not that great at tying head wraps in general, they have got turbans, they've got headbands as well that are already made. So all you need to do is pop it on. However, if you do want to try some head wraps, they have tutorials, guys. As though that's not enough, there's actually an app that you can also use to access these tutorials and all other, cool things on the go. Now, you can earn points or what they call threads by simply referring a friend to the Wrap.life or by simply buying in sets. You can also get 15% off your first order by simply subscribing to their newsletter. And of course, I've got you guys 10% off with my code coilydiaries at checkout. So go ahead and support Black business and elevate your style today.
Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you guys some quick tips on how I maintain my hair in these cornrows for longevity, for neatness, for moisture, the lot. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share this video, you never know who you help, and of course follow me on Instagram. I share tips on there, life, nice photos. It's just good to hang out during the week. So if you're interested, check me out on Insta. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So I intend to keep these in for a couple of months, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips on how I maintain my hair throughout that period. And yeah, just give you guys some ideas on what you can do as well if you have this style or a similar one. Now, why this style? Because it's cute, don't you agree? But it's a protective style. I'm a busy mom. I'm looking for something that I can just have on and get on with my life, be able to moisturize, take care of my scalp, and even wash my hair with the style on. So yeah, that's why I chose these cornrows. The first thing that you're probably asking is moisture. Of course, we want to keep our hair moisturized. This style is particularly perfect for busy moms or just busy people in general. And if you're super busy, all you need is what I have in this spritz bottle. What do you have in there, you might be asking? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, I've got water in there, I've got glycerin, so about 1 part water to maybe, not 1 part water, 1 part glycerin to 5 parts water. I have got a 2% dilution of essential oils in there, so I've got rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and lavender. And I just go ahead and mix this up and spritz it all over my hair. If you're super busy, that's all you need. You've got your moisture, you've got your oil to seal, and you've got your essential oils to take care of the scalp, right? So all I do on those days where I just do not have time, spritz, 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 and just allow the moisture to do its magic. So once you give your hair a good spritz, you want to go in here and then just squeeze the moisture in. Glycerin is super good for me anyway. If you don't like glycerin, don't put glycerin, just use water, but I have found that it really helps me retain moisture. So if you're super busy, that's all you need to do. Every other day, a couple of times a week, that's it. Okay, you can actually feel the freshness of that peppermint and tea tree on your scalp. So refreshing. However, if you've got a little bit of time, if you want to go a little bit extra, or if your hair is particularly in need of some TLC, it is possible. I go ahead with my oil. Now this is my scalp oil. Once again, it's a concoction of essential oils. I have got olive oil in there and a 2% dilution of essential oils. Tea tree oil, eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, and mint, peppermint. And all you need to do is just apply a little bit. And then just work the oil in. You can see that you actually don't need too much. You don't need too much oil. And once you work it in, you see that a little does actually go a long way. The essential oils I have in here, particularly the tea tree and the peppermint, they do really help just keeping the scalp fresh. It's antibacterial, so you keep that dandruff away, right? You don't want to be washing your hair more than you need to, you know what I mean? So keep the bacteria at bay, keep your hair fresh, keep your hair dandruff free, itch free, and yeah, get on with other important things in your life. Some of the essential oils actually help with hair growth as well, so it's a win-win situation for me. Don't forget your edges. You can put a little bit on your hand and just apply on the edges. Once you're done with that, go in with your leave-in. I'm gonna use this one from Lass. You can use whatever leave-ins you have or that you like. A leave-in conditioner will just help to keep that hair nice and soft, moisturized, smelling good, you know. Who doesn't want to smell good? I know I do. All right, so just go ahead and apply to the hair. Once that's on, don't be shy to apply it on the actual hair as well. Sorry guys, I've got a cold of some sort. Then I'm gonna go in with some castor oil to seal that moisture in. Favorite part. You guys know I love castor oil. Once again, a little bit on the hair itself, and then on the ends. Last but not the least, I like to go in with a gel. I know, gel keeps things neat, but particularly botanical gels help to actually encourage moisture or hydration to the hair. So I just go in particularly on my ends. You can go and apply to the entire head of hair, like everywhere here, but I just like to focus on the ends. And yeah, keep my hair neat, keep that moisture in, keep my hair smelling good, keep the frizz at bay. It's like a win-win situation. Don't know if you can tell, but the hair is looking good. It's looking hydrated. I love it. If you have edge control, you know, or anything that you like to put on your edges, go ahead and do that now. But for me, I like to put just a little bit of that gel over here. After all that hard work, we want to go ahead and tie the hair down. Oh. So this will just help to set all the flyaways, all the frizz. It's gonna be gone. Couple of minutes and we'll be good to go. There you go. There you go. Isn't that lovely? Now, if if you want to keep your cornrows in for longer, as in discourage frizz as much as possible, make sure to go to bed with your satin. Make sure to go to bed with your silk or satin bonnet, or you can just sleep on a silk pillow. That will be effective as well. And of course, when it's time to wash and deep condition your hair, just go ahead and wash and deep condition as you normally do, just with cornrows on, obviously, and no detangling. Yay! Another tip, if you particularly do not have time to wash your hair or you're not ready to wash your hair, is to use some witch hazel. Now, there's different kinds of witch hazel. There's some that contain alcohol and some that do not. Alcohol can be drying to the hair, so if you can get one that does not contain alcohol. This one does contain alcohol, but I believe there's some that don't, and I'll put a picture of one that I know is popular here on YouTube. However, when it's that time and you think it's a little bit itchy, or you want to just clean it up or refresh your scalp, just be generous on a cotton wool. What is it? Cotton ball? Cotton ball, and just go ahead and rub the lines. That should do the trick and give you a few more days and even weeks before you're ready for your wash. I hope you found these tips helpful. I hope you can try some of them. Be sure to comment below how you maintain your protective styles. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Bye.